What if you could create an entire AI video project from an idea to the final edited video, all inside one browser? No jumping between 5 different AI tools, no downloading acid, no consistently rewriting the prompts because one tiny detail changed. Today I'm testing Seedance 2.5 inside CapCut Web, and honestly, this might be one of the biggest upgrades to AI video generation this year. By the end of this video, we'll know exactly how to create longer AI videos, control your edits with incredible precision, and build a complete production workflow using only CapCut Web. So let's get started. The problem every AI creator faces. Now let's build something. As you can see over here, after opening CapCut Web, choose Video Studio over here on the left hand side. Then select Premiere Seedance 2.5 over here. I already selected. There are many models, but you need to select Premiere Seedance 2.5 to generate 30-second clips. Then select your aspect ratio, how many seconds do you want to generate, and the picture quality. Now what you need to do is put in your prompt. As you can see over here, after putting my prompt, just click on enter over here. After entering the prompt, the Seedance start generating the scenes. The quality, as you can see over here in the video, is impressive, especially the camera movement, lighting, scene consistency. Since it support longer generation, the story feels much more natural instead of feeling like disconnected short clips. And now you can upload 50 multimodal reference assets. That means you can generate consistent character across different scenes. You can add your brand logo to generate your commercial, and you can also create custom skills over here. This is probably one of my favorite features. As you can see over here on the skill section, there are many skills. You can choose professional, efficiency, image, marketing videos, video or trending videos. You can either choose ready-made skills over here, or you can create your own custom skill. Think of it as teaching the AI how you normally create videos. You can upload your references or simply describe your creative rules. For example, always use blue lightning, use this character, keep this logo, this is my name, use it everywhere, this is my brand name. So you don't have to repeat all those instructions again. Your workflow becomes much faster while maintaining consistency of the brand. Now let's say I want to switch to a different scene or background. Maybe from 12 seconds to 80 seconds. I want the background changed to a beach or something else like a more dark water. Instead of regenerating the entire project, I simply target the timestamp. The AI updates only the section. This saves a huge amount of time, especially no longer videos. For creators working with clients, this could dramatically speed up versions. If you want to change that part, just go over here. Check out that part, take that timestamp or put it over here. What do you want to change? That's all. The AI will instantly recreate that part. So as you guys can see over here, Seedance 2.5 now generate 30-second videos in a single click. And you can also extend the clips by 2 times just typing it over here. For example, you type extend the clipping time to 60 seconds to accommodate more scene details. It will now add 30 more seconds to the same clip. And you can do that twice to get a 90-second video with a single prompt. And as you can see over here, in a couple of seconds our extended scene is ready. The transition is moved and you can do it twice to get a 90-second video with a single click. Once the AI generation is finished, we move directly into editing. As you can see over here on the left side, you can add caption, you can do transcript, effects, transition, filters, everything is over here. You can also add elements. If you want to blur any part, you can add mosaic over here, or any photos that you want to put it over here, you can put it over here too. You don't need to go anywhere else or jumping between different software to export this. Just click over here on export section so your video will get exported to your device. After testing Seedance 2.5 inside CapCut Web, I think the biggest improvement is not the video quality, it's the workflow. Being able to move from an idea to AI generation to precise editing to a polished final video all in one place makes the content creation much more efficient. If you are making YouTube content, marketing tools, AI films or client project, these tools can help streamline the product process. If you would like to try yourself, click the link in the description to explore CapCut Web and Seedance 2.5 and let me know in the comments what would you create first using Seedance 2.5. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more AI tools, and I'll see you in the next one.